Welcome back to Tightwad Workshop. Today we're going to be looking at... What are we filming today? Fork handles. Fork handles, right, on it. So we're going to be using these fork handles to show you how to cut, not fork handles, fork handles. Well, you could have just said that at the start. Fork handles it is. There you go, fork handles. Fork handles. Handles for forks. Fork handles? Well, if you wanted fork handles, why didn't you just ask for fork handles? Thinks he's going to be a movie director, but he can't even say fork handle. So today we're going to be making a new handle for this garden fork using these pieces of bicycle frame that we salvaged from the bicycle toolkit testing video. Hang on, didn't we already make a garden fork handle video? Well, yeah, but if you want to use that joke for the intro, we've got to follow through with the video. It was 2 years ago and hardly anybody watched it. I think we'll be fine. Action. We'll start by using this angle grinder to strip the paint off the areas we're going to weld. Now we can fit the handle onto the fork and weld the front side. After each pass I'll chip off the slag and re-weld any bits that I've missed. Now we can flip the fork over to work on the back side. We're not going to be able to bridge this gap with weld metal. So first I'll cut a slot in the end of the tube, then fold it in on itself using a hammer. We'll need to use this G-clamp to hold it firmly in place. Then we can weld the back side of the fork and the slot in the handle. Next we'll hammer the other end of the tube to make it a better fit with this piece. Then we can weld it into place as well. Now we can cut these two ends to the correct length and weld on our handle crossbar. A little bit of work with the angle grinder and a nice thick coat of hammer-tone paint should help hide my sins against good welding. This paint is very forgiving of runs, but if you try extra hard you can still make it gallop. Now I don't know about you, but I think that's one of the sexiest garden forks ever made. But what if we can make it even sexier? The handle still has these two threaded bosses from its previous life on the bicycle frame, so the obvious next step is to refit the water bottle cage. So now when you've spent a long hot morning forking around in the garden, you can enjoy a cool, refreshing drink from your handy water bottle. You like it. You want it. Admit it. Well, I'm afraid that's all we've got time for, so it's good night from me, and it's good night from him. Good night.